Every day, thousands of youngsters get into the corporate system, mostly by not knowing the basic structure of the system. Hence, they become an easy target in every step they take for the criticism by the system itself. The repeated criticism will degrade their morale, and finally they may resort to just surviving in the job. So what are the fundamental features of the corporate work life? Transparency, well-developed procedures and protocols, risk analysis and risk management, all these things powered by centralized policies and well executed by decentralized, rigid, hierarchical management. It is quite unfortunate that most of the companies, they concentrate on giving the training and conducting the workshops only on the specific skill of the employee. They do not concentrate on explaining to them what exactly the structure, what is the protocols in the most firm manner. If at all they give the information or the training, it will be highly a cosmetic one. We can't even blame the companies because they have the stipulated time and the resources. Why exactly it is so important to know the procedures and protocols? Let me explain it to you. I am going to take the analogy. Just assume that you are going to visit your distant relative. She happens to be your aunt. You don't know any details about their family, their culture, the food culture, anything. They are basically pure vegetarians. On the first day of the visit itself, when your aunt asks, what shall I prepare for the dinner? And you are going to demand, prepare chicken biryani for me. Don't you think it is the most irritating experience for both of you? And obviously it will be an embarrassing situation as well. Do you do these kind of things? Before visiting your aunt, obviously by default you would have done all the research about their likes, dislikes and what is their culture. In the same way, you have to do some research. If your employer is not giving you enough training about the corporate structure, what stops you from learning on your own? Do some research. Many professionals often complain, especially the young professionals often complain that they have been harassed by the system because of the unprofessional ethics or unprofessional behavior by their superiors. After interviewing more than 500 professionals, especially the young professionals all across the globe and in India, I found that in abroad, more than 80% of the companies, they uphold the corporate ethics and a very high standard of professional workspace. But in India, it is after all only 20%. It is so pathetic. As soon as the youngsters are recruited into the company, they are given an immediate but a superficial sense of a family. It's not a family. There is a hierarchy, visible hierarchy and the hidden hierarchy. You must understand that. Okay, for the time being, let me assume that it is a family. So even in your family, there is a visible hierarchy and hidden hierarchy. Have you not noticed it? So let me explain it to you. So in your family, let me assume that your mom is a homemaker and your dad works. So naturally, your dad is at the top of the hierarchical pyramid. So he has many decisions to take. Despite knowing this fact, you also know one more fact, that your mother has a greater say in most of the things. Whether it is taking a decision about marriage or whether it is taking decision about the microfinancing or microeconomics, she has a greater say and also the authority. So you very well know how to get the things done, whether it is from your dad or from mom. You very well know the protocol. You very well know how to follow and when to follow. Apply the same thing. You should analyze the system. You should know who is the receiving authority, who is the reporting authority, and when the problem is thrown at me, whom to approach and how to follow up. The mode of communication and the level of communication and the pattern of communication, these are the things you must learn. Friends, never equate corporate work life to lunch and outings. Remember, they are just recreational activities organized by the corporate companies to reduce your stress. Yes, I agree, the system is very complex, but the same complex system enables you to simplify your work life so that you have the highest efficiency and obviously you can bring a lot of profit to the company. Friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe and let me know your feedback in the comment box. Soon I'll come up with one more video. Till then, bye.